Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaway. I have my FabFitFun fall box here, and we're giving away one of the items to one of you. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed to the channel. Watch the videos in their entirety. Somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know. I want to welcome anybody who's new here. Thank you so much for checking us out. For all my return subscribers, you know I love spoiling you guys. Every month I try and do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of September, it is the Glam Light Frosted Flakes palette. I love the blue and orange, so I really like this palette. So if you want your own brand new one of these, look in the description box down below. There's a form there that you need to fill out. We'll get into all the deets. For you to win your very own item out of my FabFitFun box in a little bit. So like I said, you must be subscribed to the channel in order to win. So if you don't mind subscribing, if you haven't already, it means a lot to me when you guys do so. If you're watching on a mobile device, go into your settings, mark those to all. I definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here on the channel and you want to get notified for that. Can we talk about what is on my eyes today? I absolutely love this peacock look. It is a Glam Light Scooby-Doo Retro palette. And it looks like this on the inside. I mean, it kind of gives like a peacock look to me. I'm loving it. So the FabFitFun is beauty, makeup, skincare, kitchen items, good for you type items. I really like FabFitFun. It's one of my I think it is my oldest subscription that I have. It's $59 per quarter. I do it annually. I get to choose all my choices. Absolutely love it. I tend to steer more on the makeup, beauty, skincare, hair care type items is what I normally go towards. I might go for a little jewelry and a handbag every once in a while. That's what I normally steer towards. And you guys, also in here is the mystery bundle, which I have no clue what it is, and that's an extra $19 per month. Let's find out what I got. I do want to say I am pleasantly pleased with how small the FabFitFun boxes are getting. Before it was this gigantic box that was way too big for the products that were inside it normally. And so I'm loving that when people have smaller items, they'll send out a smaller box so there isn't so much waste. So the first item in here I have used, absolutely love. It's an Elemis Pro Collagen Naked Cleansing Balm. It does retail for $69. This versatile balm can be used daily as a cleanser and makeup remover and as a weekly face mask. It's full of skin-loving ingredients such as nourishing plant oils, elderberry, optimaga, bee-friendly starflower oil, algae, padina, pavanka, and it's fragrance-free, making it perfect for sensitive skin. I also love that it's an oil-free formula. It does a really good job of taking off your makeup, kind of wet your face a little bit, scoop a little bit on, put it around your face, and then kind of massage it in, and then rinse it off, and it does an amazing job even around the eyes. I love it. Next we have from Ole Henriksen. It's a Truth Serum Hydrating Vitamin C Serum. It does retail for $56. Vitamin C and collagen are two key players in this serum, delivering brighter skin while improving elasticity. If you're looking for all-day hydration, this serum is a must for your fall box. Summer may be coming to an end soon, but the summer glow will be here to stay. It's great for dryness, dullness, loss of firmness, elasticity. I love that it's vegan. I do vitamin C serum every morning, so looking forward to this one. From Fenty Skin is a Cherry Dub Blah Too Bright 5% AHA face mask. It does retail for $39. This face mask does it all. Reveal plumper, smoother, and brighter skin with a rejuvenating pick-me-up for your skin. This unique jelly texture exfoliates and smooths your skin for flawless makeup application while diminishing dark spots. I have noticed, like, I kind of put some stuff on them over here, but you can kind of see I'm starting to get some dark spots in here. I know my mom has them really bad, so I'm sure it probably kind of runs in the family. Anyway, so it diminishes dark spots and the looks of fine lines and wrinkles. It also contains Fenty's Triple Cherry Complex and 5% AHAs that clarify and renew, leaving skin soft and smooth. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free. So, looking forward to that one. From Nude Sticks is a gel color lip and cheek balm in Posh. It does retail for $27. Save space in your makeup bag with a multitasking makeup must-have that adds a beautiful pop of color to your cheeks and lips. You'll love reaching for this ultra moisturizing choice when you're on the go and need a little makeup pick-me-up. So it's vegan, cruelty-free, preservative-free, gluten-free, fragrance-free, formulated without parabens, sulfates, and phosphates. Okay, so she kind of looks like this. Let's do a little swatch. Ooh, she's really pretty. This would be a great lip color on me. This would be a great cheek color, especially when you're on the go. Let's rub that out so we can see what it would look like as a blush. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's kind of a nice flush of color. Love it. From One Kind is a Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. It does retail for $40. Let the moisturizer work hard while you get your beauty rest. You'll be glowing by morning with this super effective and hydrating cream that targets dullness, redness, and dryness with one power-packed formula with plant-derived squalene and rosehip oils to combat fine lines and wrinkles, and barley seed and chamomile to soothe the skin after a long day. You'll wake up looking refreshed and ready to take on the day. There's no silicones, no PEGs, no synthetic fragrance, no parabens, no artificial clarities. It is cruelty-free. Sounds good. I've tried this, you guys. Love it. It is the Dr. Brandt Skincare Lash and Brow Serum. It does retail for $58. I think I got this in the summer mystery bundle from FabFitFun. This science-based solution gives you longer and fuller brows from home thanks to the Triptide and Biotin formula. Triptide helps stimulate the natural growth process, while Biotin nourishes and strengthens for better resilience and overall lash and brow health. It is vegan and cruelty-free. I've noticed a difference with my lashes and my brows. My brows can get a little sparse in here. I've noticed a difference with this. Love it. They did also throw in a Transform Your Shower Sweet Lemon and Orange Blossom. It looks, this is a soap. Turmeric Milk Lemon Drop Plant Milk Cleansing Bar. It smells really good. So the total of this box was $289. Remember, you only spent $59 on it, so really good deal. Now let's get into the mystery bundle that I bought for $19. So the first thing in there is, the first item in here is from Illy Rose. It comes in this cute little kind of dust cover bag. This is really, really pretty. So what it is a phone grip. Like, it's one of the pop sockets that pop out. And you can walk around talking on your phone easier. That purple is so pretty. It's an agate. It's a deep purple with a gold trim, kind of an agate. Looks like almost looks like a stone there, but it's not. You can tell it's kind of plastic. It does retail for $19.99. So the next item in here is from Kitsch. It's a recycled plastic zigzag headband, two-piece neutral. There's kind of like this taupe color and kind of the tan color. It does have spikes, so it'll slide into your hair. It does retail for $8. The chic design features long wavy teeth for comfortable non-slip grip and stylish way to create slick back looks with ease. Comes in a 2-pack with earthy natural colors that work perfectly for any hair. It's cute. It'd be really good like from my curly hair to go. Let's look at back. And from Elemis is a Frangipani Minoy Hand and Nail Balm. It does retail for $34. A nourishing hand cream that leaves hands delicately scented, deeply nourished, and replenished for long-lasting comfort. Secret word of the day is home. My parents were finally able to get out from the cabin because there's a forest fire nearby. And the road was finally opened up long enough for them to go through really quick. They had to go through kind of like with a pilot car leading them out. Thankfully, they're out of there. I don't know what's going to happen to the cabin, but thankfully my parents are home. So the total of the mystery bundle was $61.99. You only paid $19.99 for it. Pretty good deal if you're going to use the items in there. What should we give away to one of you guys? Let's give away that phone grip. I don't use them, so I'd much rather see one of you guys use it who would love it. In the description box down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill it out, only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify, yes, you are subscribed to the channel. So the Google form is your entry way into the giveaway. And you only fill out the form once, but you can mark on it. For the bonus entries, only mark on it if you did do the bonus entries, because I do check and you don't want to get yourself disqualified. So your first way for bonus entry is if you go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter. It's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you follow me on TikTok. It's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share this with your family, friends, social media accounts. It's a way to help grow the channel, and I really wanted a way to say thank you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's have the giveaway go through October 4th, midnight standard time, and then on October 9th, what I'll do is if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing on the Google Forms, I'll take first name, first initial of the last name, put those in the computer. The computer spins all the names around, the computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all of those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, you guys. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.